Hi guys, welcome to the videos. Today I'm going to talk about the economy for I don't know, 10 minutes I guess. Are we in the economic bubbles? I mean, you can clearly observe bullish climbing since the panic sell on March 2020, right? It's still going since then without any legit support line. So it's just surge up and up and up and up and doing the new high all the time, and with the high flying market like this is reminding nervous investors of a 10 years economic cycle bubble. For those who don't know, every 10 years we will have an economic crisis. This is a result of the Elliott Wave principle, in which recession is required in order to promote sustained growth. Yeah. Let's go off topic a little bit. Elliott Wave worked everywhere. By working everywhere, I'm going to give you the examples. Let's take Bitcoin for example. Okay, here we are in 1 minute graph of Bitcoin, and you can clearly see the pattern, right? It's very obvious. I can show you the resisted line. Yeah, it is beautiful here. Whenever it touched the resistance line, it go down. That's easy. Okay, I'm going to make the support line here. Okay, you can clearly see now it's very similar to the picture that I provided you before. And yeah, this is basic Elliott Wave. When it reached the support line, you buy it, and you sell it when it reached the resisted line. That is it. That's how easy you trade with Elliott Wave. But of course, you can't use the Elliott Wave alone to make profit. You have to use the indicators as well. Okay, so you might ask that, okay, this is uptrend, right? You're going to make profit anyway. Okay, I'm going to show you when it's come to downtrend. Okay, here is some downtrend graph of a Bitcoin here, and you can clearly see the pattern still, right? That is the resistant line. Whenever it's touched, it goes down. That's it. Okay, I'm going to make the support line here, and when it reached the support line, what happened? It's surge up, right? Okay, I'm going to give you some quiz, some easy quiz, right? You can see the graph here, right? It hadn't reached the support line. Okay, the question is, what's going to happen when it reaches the support line? It surge up, right? That's easy, is it? Okay, it's reached the support line again. What's going to happen? It surge up? It surge up, of course. That is how strong the Elliott Wave is. Oh man. Okay, you might wondering now, why am I showing this to you guys? The reason why I'm showing this to you guys because I want you guys to have an idea of what the Elliott Wave is. And if you understand Elliott Wave, now you can get along much better if we're talking about the economic of the world. So basically, every pattern graph is following the Elliott Wave. This also includes the cryptocurrency and also stock market. So if you are, I don't know, if you are a stock trader or if you are Dogecoin trader, Ethereum trader, you might consider Elliott Wave to be your best friends here. Okay, so as you understand the Elliott Wave principle, I'm going to drop out the global economy here. So yeah guys, this is Dow Jones Industrial Average, and what it is the American index that leads the world. So if this index is going up, everyone is going up, and if it go down, everyone is collapse. So it's basically the world index here, and you can consider this as, you know, the main source to look at the global economy. So as you already know what the Elliott Wave is, you might consider this resistant line. It's very scary. I mean, it is a very simple line, but everyone is freaking out. You can see the news headline or the post about this particular resistant line. Everyone is freaking out in Twitter, in Market Watch, in Facebook community, in Reddit community about trading. Everyone is freaking out about this resistant line that we have reached. everyone is freaked out about what will be the cause of the economic bubble. So like the news raised the topics of Bitcoin. So they think that Bitcoin will be the one that triggered the economic crisis. So for those who don't know, every economic crisis there will have the one or two thing that trigger the markets to go down. So for example, 10 years ago it was the real estate and greedy investor in Wall Street that make the economy collapse. And also I think like 20 years ago it was the technology stocks that has been panic buy and trading like crazy. I think it's called .com crisis in that time. And even 100 years ago when the Wall Street collapsed, the thing that triggered the markets to collapse is how greedy the investor in Wall Street is. So basically some news mention Bitcoin to be kind of one of the triggers that bring the collapse of the economy. So everything is being rallied, the stocks, the gold, BTC and all other stuffs. But US dollar is now declining. It's showing the banking system is on downturn, and everyone is move their money from the US dollars to other properties. And if you take it and analyze it furthermore, you can see that hey, this can be the trigger that trigger the economic bubbles. Economic bubble is inevitable. I mean, it's happened every 10 years. It will happen again this year and also 10 years after this. The 10 years ago was happened really bad. I hope this year won't be that much of a big deal, and I hope that the Thai market's going to survive the upcoming economic bubble and also 10 years later as well. So you need to be prepared. Prepare your money to buy a very cheap thing, very cheap stock, very cheap property. Who knows what's going to happen? So yeah, I think I leave it here. So I want you guys to think and have a guess about what is going to be the trigger that triggered the economy bubble. So yeah, leave a comment below and I will make sure that I will answer it all. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an idea of how the Elliott Wave theory worked. I hope that you will make profits out of the stock market using the Elliott Wave theory as well. And also don't forget to search up furthermore. You can't just look at Elliott Wave alone and then trade. Yeah, you have to looking up at the indicator as well and all stuff like that. So yeah, have a great day. I'll see you all again. Bye bye.